Food is not about being right or wrong. It's about what you like. Some people like a burnt piece of meat. Some people like me like it literally, like that's perfect. All right, guys. We're gonna settle it once for all right now, sous vide, pan seared, or grilled, because there's a lot of comments on the best way to do steak. Listen, I can tell you all about the cookbooks and lab cookbooks and chemistry and all that, but the bottom line to me is, what's it taste like? Truly, our toughest critic.
You like it?
Yeah, good job. Good job, baby dog. All right. That's exactly what that's for. See that?
I got you.
You got me? You got me? Whoa.
Stronghold on here.
Oh, these are nice knives.
Wow.
Whoa. Well, I should cook.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a taste test. We're not doing raw yet.
Oh, shoot, okay.
We could do some carpaccio.
Yeah,
A little carpaccio.
No.
Wow, look at Okay,
gonna roast us in the
you know
comments.
what's really wild? Brazilian Flame wanted to be part of this because I said, listen, I'm gonna settle it once and for all. They're like, hang on, we're gonna send you some spices. We're gonna spice it up a little bit for you. I was like, you can spice it up for me. They said here, and they sent me, look at this. They weren't sure what color blue it was gonna be because we know based on if I'm swimming in the hot tub, I don't really swim in the hot tub, or maybe I do swim in the hot tub with these guys. Wait, whoa. Listen here. Listen, swim in the hot tub. Whether I'm swimming or I'm in the hot tub, we don't know what color it's gonna be. So now that said, I'm gonna start cooking because I got a lot of hungry people here because I invite them over for the taste test. See you guys in a second. A filet mignon is also known as a tenderloin. If you want to make them look like filet now, but to be cutting with this knife this thin, really impressed. Yeah, you could. It's like a carpaccio knife, guys. All right, I'm impressed. So filet mignon, we're gonna do this one, and this is gonna be our sous vide. And I'm not gonna torture them by pan searing this as a whole piece. We're gonna actually do it in a medallion. Honestly, Brazilian Flame, your knives are legit. There's the weight on it. I like how much weight. So here you go, look, filet mignon. I mean, that gets pan seared. We're gonna grill, and this one is the most important one because this is the one that's gonna tell everybody sous vide. First, salt steak first. So grab the salt. We'll show them how to salt up steak. So what you would want to do.
Trust him. I didn't do this. No. You cannot mess this up.
You shouldn't trust me. I'll watch.
All right.
No, I'll watch.
I think there's another salt.
This is the chef.
They sent us a lot of great stuff. What I tell everybody, they always grab these or whatever, and they go like this. No, go in your hand first because you never know how much stuff's gonna come rushing.
I'm gonna tell you right now, I was about to.
Yeah, I know you were. That's why
He was ready to mess up the food already.
It's a pro tip. Then we just kind of flip it over. So technically, what you want to do is do this and let them sit for like 45 minutes before you cook them. Now let's see. Let's see if he's got the magic wrist. Oh, see, he went for his hand. That's exactly.
Yeah.
Dude, that's what you're supposed to do.
That's how you're supposed to.
He heard you say.
I know. You used your hand like as if I went the other way. You tried to fake me out of it.
Smart. He was on the bathroom saying, what's he talking about?
Nah, I saw you try to fake me out of it.
Shut up. All right. Hey, these guys are paying close attention to you guys. That was beautiful. If I wasn't doing a taste test, I would flavor this. I could leave this marinate for a day or two. And so watch. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna hit moist, vac seal. Now watch what happens. See? It pulls all the air out. And if you put a marinade in, it would suck in the marinade too. Like a lot of times I'll put sage.
You what? What do you want?
I'm drinking whatever you guys are making. You can get a pot, like you make pasta in. Just buy this. And then you can go to any good, like Wild Forks and buy, this is Tomahawk, and organic, like this is really good. This is my backup for us to eat later. What's crazy is if you wanted to cook a piece of meat that thick on the bone, you'll never get it to the right temperature all the way through. This does, because it's been cooking for 2 hours at 129 degrees, and it will never go higher. And so like for fish, you'll never have a piece of fish as good as you will out of a sous vide. So now this is sealed. It's so thin, like this will be ready in about a half hour. While that's cooking, right now it's cooking, and it's never, I have it 130, it will never go above 130. If you put something on the grill and you leave it for an extra 3 minutes, it ain't 130 anymore. It's crispy, it's charred, it's done. So I can leave this for 5-6 hours and it'll still be perfectly cooked, medium rare. So I could throw in a brisket, a 30-pound brisket, let it sit there, cook for a day, seal it up, and it's unbelievable. So that's why we're down to, and I need to get sponsored by, hey, anybody who's a sous vide company, yeah, it's time to, call, yeah, hit up Fry, my manager, and be like, yo, he goes, I gotta say, thank you, Fry, these are fire. All right, guys. Oh, what's that? Cocktail?
No, rock. What do you want?
Is that just rum?
Yeah.
That's all. It's perfect. Guys, cheers. Thank you for being part of this taste test, this experiment. I'm drinking water, guys, because I'm cooking. You know, I'm operating heavy machinery here.
Sure, that's water. Big.
Ooh. Well, it's actually really smooth. Back to cooking, guys. We got the sous vide going. Now we should get the grill going. And which just made me think I should get the grill going. Also, we need to get the pan sear to do these. So let's go. Max is a dear friend, and he just got a media mansion. What's a media mansion? You're gonna find out. So he says, Vic, can you come and hang out and cook with me? Like, I would love to come through here and cook. You can see the vibes. Yeah, sure. There's no right or wrong way. Just boom.
No glue or anything in the pan?
Nothing. Just like that. We're searing it. Okay, we'll fix that. Yeah. Now, all those at home, do not scrape the pan. This non-stick. Sure, first off, don't use non-stick. Whatever you want. Yep, perfect. She's got this, guys. Now, perfect. So now we got it nice and hot. And what we're doing is we're literally we're searing it. And then we're gonna cauterize, and then we just give it a little
Oh my god,
flip.
wait, that's cooking a lot faster than I thought.
Go ahead, flip it. Save this one for a minute. The reason we're not flipping that one right away is because it has a lot. You got this. She's got it.
Vic, I can't flip it, I'm not gonna lie.
You got it.
Wait,
Oh,
okay,
there you
I
go.
like that.
See, it's got a little bit of brown.
Correct.
Perfect.
Okay.
Little bit of brown. Yep. Just don't scratch the bottom of the pan. We don't want any of that. And then sit here. I'll help you out.
Okay.
Just kind of we'll do it like that.
Okay. Honestly, next time I'm using my hand.
No, you'll burn your hands. We call it chef hands. You lose feeling because you're used to burning it out of your hand all the time. No, because then you'll melt your nails, and we can't have those melted nails. We're gonna do a quick sear again, because now the problem with what we're doing in this experiment, guys, is the temperature and the time. So these are gonna dry out. So we gotta go get the grill fired up right now. Perfect. Right over here, but don't burn yourself. Nah, you know what? Here, yeah, put it there. The grill's super hot, and you can tell by this. Ready? Did you hear that sizzle?
I hear that sizzle.
There it is. Perfect. So throw it on. Yep. Now grab another one. Pro tip. See the back of your hand?
I do see it.
Okay, do this.
Okay.
Now watch this. Roll over the grill, and you can feel the hot spots.
Wait, should I be doing this?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you, but did you watch?
Okay.
See how I'm doing this? 'Cause you can't really tell on this side of your hand, but the
Right.
back of your hand, you're gonna feel everything. So you'll be like, oh, that's really hot there. So when you wanna move the meat around, that's how you know where we call the hot spots on the grill. Move it and see if you see how. See?
Are you sure it's burning?
I am. I'm trying to. Truth be told, this is a brand new grill.
Oh.
So it's really like hot right in the center. If you feel it right here, but that's why we have the meat on the sides. What is that called? Somebody, anybody.
No, we were running.
I wish we had a chef here.
Freddy Krueger.
There's a chef here who could tell. Wait, I should.
The Freddy Krueger.
That's
Call
not-
it the Freddy Krueger. The Freddy Krueger.
Okay, go ahead and flip it. Flip the thin one. No, scoop.
I'm gonna burn myself. Can you do it? I'll do the ones that aren't on fire, Vic.
As I told everybody, this is a taste test on sous vide versus grill versus pan sear. And yes, those of you who are steak aficionados are going to be like, well, Vic, you let it sit too long and it dried out. Of course, the sous vide is going to taste better. They may say no. As I tell everybody, chocolate or vanilla ice cream, which do you like? Wrong.
Please,
Wrong.
chocolate.
Wrong. See, how can you be wrong? Food is not about being right or wrong. It's about what you like. Some people like a burnt piece of meat. Some people like me like it literally, like that's perfect. So there's no right or wrong. You can't really make it right or wrong. So nobody's seeing this. We just flip it, and that's how we're gonna bring back. Now we have the, because I'm not gonna run inside and wash that thing and all that sort of stuff.
Right.
But this, you know who this is for?
Baby dog?
Baby dog. And do this. Feel that?
Yes.
Okay, now do the next finger. Do the next finger. Well, ready? Watch. Well, medium well, medium rare.
Oh, shit.
Wait, are we gooey here? You
See all these little chefs?
fingering yourself right now?
Like you say, yeah, exactly. You know, food is made with love. Guys, hey, I want to thank all these guys to come out and wait for hours to eat, because when you film these and we do it, we have to do this step by step, and they are so hungry. They're gonna be like, I don't get it, all tastes good. You can see when it's sous vide, this is totally cooked all the way through. It looks horrific, and it kind of is. So I'm bringing it out to sear it, and we're just gonna leave the searing because it's giving it that crisp that everybody's used to eating. So it's sous vide tomahawk, and I'm now gonna sear it like this, and then we'll pull it off. So grill. I know what it is. I finally figured out I'm Wolverine.
There we go.
Okay, so I'll be here all night. Take your wait staff.
You weddings?
I mean, of course, this is our grill pieces. This is our pan seared. And now we're gonna pull out the sous vide. You wouldn't pull this out and call that good looking meat, right? That looks kind of like I probably wouldn't eat this. So I am gonna throw it in the pan for a minute just to give it what we call mouthfeel, the texture on the outside. I don't want to cheat, but you could feel it literally coming apart, right? So I'm going to place this because we're gonna roll this. Get this as hot as you can because you're just going for the sear. Again, and honestly, it's really for the filet. I can't wait to cut the filet to show you guys. So what I'm saying about sous vide. Look how thick that piece of meat is and look at how perfectly that's cooked. And it's gonna be that way the whole way through. And truly, our toughest critic.
You like it?
Yay! Good job. Good job, baby dog. I'm not even buttering these, even though I brought it out, butter, salt. I'm gonna let everybody taste it. As you can see, just searing it up. All right, when you wanna go through a piece of meat and you're like, see how perfect that is? All the way through, that's a perfect medium. It's pretty nice. I love it. This might be my new favorite knife. Yeah. Like, however it is, the balance, I didn't think at first I was like, maybe, but now I'm kind of in love. It hurts my heart to make this for you guys because it should be seasoned and buttered and flavored.
But I would take this one over all them.
This one's definitely the best.
Oh shoot, conflict.
Oh, that's what I'm here.
I'll say this
I like
one's
it.
chewy.
Tender one. The tender one wins.
I love this right here. This is the big one here.
All of them different.
This is like fogo de chao.
Really?
This is like my grandma, mountain, family. This is amazing.
Yeah, the family grill, right?
Yeah, this is
Family
This is
grill.
family right here. This is fogo de chao.
Right.
This is
restaurant quality.
This is your ex-girlfriend that you left behind.
Wow! Wow! Yeah, we. And now, wait for it. Well, burnt butter. We're gonna take.
Best way.
And you think I'm gonna put it on the steak, but I'm gonna put it in here. Oh, what are we doing? He's a madman. And, oh, here, I have to do this. Okay, there you go. Okay. Oh my God! What are you doing? Stop it! It's not funny anymore. Jeez. Wolverine hand comes out, baby. Check this out. And it's well. And you're like, what the hell? How did he cook a piece of meat that thick, that well? And it's supposed to taste good. And that is exactly what I want to know. So who's fork? Clean that. Okay. All right. Since you answered the question, it's a fork.
Here we
Come
go.
on, boy. Hot. Don't burn your mouth.
Mmm. Better than all of them.
Wait, come here, wait. Come on, get it.
That wins.
Go ahead, come on.
Yeah, you can.
It's gonna be a tiny piece. I can't turn off.
You cannot beat that. That's it.
I have nothing to say.
Game over.
Oh, sorry, Max. There she goes.
That's hella good.
That's hella good. All right, now I gotta cut this up for all of you guys. And
Wow.
well,
Yes,
it's a little different, huh? So, and this is sous vide. This is sous vide, then I flashed it on the grill. And it's funny because, like you said, I don't like the grill. I feel it dries it out way too much. And the pan sear, I do it in a cast iron because it's like, fine, it's fast. I can just bang out a steak in 5 minutes. But if I really want to do something nice, you do this. And like, to get a freaking few inch tomahawk like this, and forget about it. It's magic. And then you put it on the grill because you need that outside texture. Otherwise, it
That
just.
is insane.
All right, come on, guys.
Wow.
Yeah, huh? Yeah.
So good, I'm speaking Spanish right now.
Wow.
Yeah.
You know, if I were voting, my vote is sous vide, then grilled, then a quick grill just to get I like to call it the bark. Like, honestly, if I were doing this even more, I would have had the grill hotter and really seared it so it was like a bark bite. And I also cooked this a little medium. I eat my meat rare. Like, I had it at 130 in the sous vide. I cooked my meat at 118. You know what?
We like your things.
Dump it all out. Dump it all out. Give it a little bit of love for all you guys. Salt Bay for you guys. So Salt Bay for the people at home. People at home, Salt Bay. Yeah. All right. Everybody dig in. Oh, I gotta
Find a little marbling. Wow. Gotta get the marbling.
Wow.
That's good. That works.
Oh my god.
You shook your head yes sir for a second.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
Fire.
Huh?
Fire.
Wow.
Hey,
Really?
everybody at home, everybody here. First off, thank you guys so much for watching, supporting, all the love. Again, thank you guys for sending these. And stay tuned at 100 eyes max. Got boys.
You might see us. You might be seeing them. You're gonna see us.
So follow all the guys. I'll post everybody below. And thanks for tuning in and thanks for having dinner with us on a Friday night. We love you. And don't forget, you can never make anything
Clap it up,
wrong.
bigger.
Round of applause for the chef.
These are our sous vide pieces.
Guidelines.
Chris, that's
guidelines.
salt. It's salt, Chris.
Guidelines. Guidelines.
Community guidelines, Chris.